Good morning, friends. We're going to be taking you along on a day in the life today. We have several errands to run this morning, kind of fun errands. Going to the library. We'll probably go to the park as well. I need to run by the UPS store where I have my mailbox and renew my mailbox because I've had it for a full year now. The one here, I had one back near our old house, but I got the new one a year ago. So that needs renewal. So I'm going to run in and do that. Just other, little errands. And then after we get home, we'll be working on getting ready for my brother and sister to arrive. They've been taking a road trip from Texas, and they're supposed to arrive this evening, hopefully, if everything goes as planned. So we're going to do a little prep for my brother and sister arriving this evening, and I am going to grill. I thought it'd be fun to get the fire pit going this evening and grill. I got a good deal on T-bone steaks, I think it was, at the store yesterday. And so I was going to grill those up. I also picked up some Hatch Green chilies. Apparently it's Hatch Green chili season. And so they were really cheap at Safeway. And I don't know that I've ever used a fresh Hatch Green chili. Of course, I've had like the salsas and the dried and the in seasonings and stuff, but I don't know that I've ever had a fresh one, so I thought grilling those would be really delicious. So that is all on the agenda for today, and we will just bring you guys along. More of my phlox are starting to bloom. Thank you to those of you that told me the name of them. I couldn't remember on my summer farm tour video, but phlox is what they're called. They're so pretty. Got the bottles returned, and now I'm heading into the UPS store to do the mailbox renewal and some Amazon returns. Thank you so much to everyone who has sent me mail in this last year. It is always such a treat. Everyone is so sweet, and I just appreciate it so much. It looks like this piece of mail was delivered about 3 weeks ago. I never got a notification for it, so not sure what's up with that, but I'm glad that I checked my mailbox today.
That looks like the place where the president lives.
That's a church, baby. There you go, Levi. Put it in. That's so cool, huh?
How did you do that?
Okay, let's see. Is it sorting it? Wow, I have never seen a library return like this before.
Whoa. I've never even seen a library return. Like the inside there.
Uh-huh. Oh, too funny.
How does it do that? I want to show you something over here.
I know, I love that too. The car section? Okay, we'll look for the car section. And then you can read a book in a chair. Levi, smile.
Matches its hat.
Wow.
I can watch TV.
Whoa, that's interesting. I've never seen that before.
I know, I haven't either. Turn on all of them. Oh, you can make them purple and pink. Look.
Look at what Charity's doing.
Yeah.
Do that, Charity. Oh,
Oh.
oh,
You can make them any color. That's pretty cool.
that is cool.
Look, watch this. Just turn them all on. I'm going to sit right here
That sounds awesome.
to read a book.
Sounds so good. What'd you find?
Found this. What's I found?
Oh, you want to learn about Ohio?
I'm going to go.
Sounds awesome. We're at the park now and decided to opt for a simple lunch of McDonald's burger patties, some with cheese, some without cheese.
Yeah.
Go do it! Go do it!
You got no cream.
Renee, do you want me to hold your glasses? Thanks. How about I feel it with my feet? Woo. Oh, it's not bad. Not bad at all.
It's nice It's our pond.
Mm-hmm.
Get used to it.
Oh, it's as nice as the pond. Is that what you said?
Yeah. But we get used to it.
Look at the little fishies. There they are. Do you see them?
Look at them.
There's lots of little fishies.
Right there. Mom, they're so cute.
We got home from the park, but then we were invited by some friends to spend more time at the river. So we came to a different park and we're just having an afternoon swimming, having so much fun. This dog just arrived at the park, at the river, and it is so funny. Let me show you. It's like galloping through the water. It's so hilarious. Izzy wants to go play with it so bad. That is too funny. So we're just having an afternoon at the river, and I may not actually get to grilling tonight since we did this. We'll probably do something a little more simple for dinner after all. I kept dinner really simple tonight. I just had some leftover ground beef in the fridge and I mixed it up with just some regular canned tomato sauce, some Italian seasoning, and some Redmond garlic salt and Redmond onion salt. Just mixed that all together, stuffed my bell peppers with it, and then sprinkled with some mozzarella cheese on top. Air fried it for a few minutes until everything was cooked, and it turned out to be a very simple and delicious dinner. You're going fast? Before who gets home? Wait for me! Hey! Who?
Natalie!
Aunt Natalie's coming?
Yes!
Are you waiting for her?
Yes!
I love it.
Don't take off the blanket. Come here.
Oh, is that her? Is that her? There they are, Levi.
You okay? I'm not the other direction.
I came all this way to see you. Just you.
I feel like a celebrity.